inflow and infiltration, cracking, collapses, age, root intrusion, SSOs. The list is long of the problems plaguing our underground pipelines nationwide. There is a cost-effective answer to restoring these vital assets that lie beneath our streets, neighborhoods, and commercial areas back to their peak performance. Cured in-place pipe lining.
My advice to other municipalities would be to do your homework and look at the other technologies out there, but I believe you will find that Reline America will stand out above the rest. Reline America is our solution to our infiltration problems.
This state-of-the-art technology for the repair and restoration of underground pipelines by Reline America has been helping municipalities and utility agencies meet environmental mandates and solve their most difficult rehabilitation issues.
All of the product is in a lining so that there's no way for anything to leach out or get into surrounding groundwater or into the pipes. They won't end up in your pumps or someplace where you'd have to clean it out later, which are some of the horror stories we'd heard about other types of products.
This technology has been successfully utilized for more than 15 years by a network of certified installers for the rehabilitation of over 10 million feet of pipeline in 27 countries. The Reline America BlueTech solution is simple, a perfectly balanced combination of strength, flexibility, longevity, and quality achieved when blending glass fiber, resin, and ultraviolet light. This sustainable long-term rehabilitation method can be performed very quickly with minimal disruption to traffic, the community, and facility users. BlueTech is also environmentally friendly with no detectable levels of styrene emissions as evidenced through third-party testing.
Having it impregnated at the manufacturer, what that does allows us a peace of mind knowing that our liner is going to be more or less sterile and not have any imperfections in it, that we're guaranteed a thickness of liner, the same amount of resin, so we're not wasting money, we're not wasting resin. We are getting a product that has consistent quality, and that gives us confidence when we put it in the ground.
BlueTech is a truly trenchless technology that eliminates the need for excavation, contributing to a considerable cost savings. In some cases, a repair utilizing BlueTech can cost 40 to 60% less than dig and replace alternatives.
We have a lot of pipe and right-of-ways where we can't get to easily, so by using the BlueTech technology, we don't have to waste money trying to get into these areas. We can just go from 2 points and take care of the problem without trenching.
Using Reline America has reduced our costs tremendously. Not having to dig up roads, sidewalks, and have all those repairs done has saved us a tremendous amount of money.
BlueTech can be installed in lines 6 to 60 inches in diameter and up to 1,000 feet in length. The material is especially well suited for gravity and pressure lines, as well as pipes with bends or a non-circular shape. It is also 4 to 8 times stronger than other traditional lining materials, as verified by independent third-party testing.
The BlueTech system allows us to monitor every foot of the pipe, and we know if every foot is getting cured. In most systems, you do not know that until you post-inspect it. The system does all the work. All we do is follow simple procedures.
Before rehabilitation can begin, an initial cleaning and visual inspection must be conducted to assess the project's requirements. After this assessment phase, the line is prepared for the lining process. The operation of renewing the line begins with bypass pumping, followed by high-pressure flushing using sewer cleaning combination equipment. After the line is cleaned, the BlueTech slip sheet is inserted into the line from the manhole. The slip sheet aids in the installation of the liner by reducing friction and allowing for a smooth insertion of the liner into the host pipeline. The slip sheet also smooths the invert to maximize flow characteristics. Once the slip sheet is in place, the technicians are ready to insert the impregnated spirally wound seamless fiberglass liner. The liner is pulled into place utilizing a constant tension winch with a digital readout to monitor the liner insertion. The wetting out or impregnation of the resin material into the liner is performed at the Reline America factory to the client's specs in an ISO 9001 revision 2000 controlled environment. This aids in limiting impurities, resin migration or washout, and the possibility of styrene contamination at the job site. This unique process also allows the liner to be stored for up to 6 months in a non-refrigerated environment. The BlueTek liner is also equipped with special inner and outer films. The outer film serves as a containment barrier for any potential styrene admission and protects the liner from contact with fluids that may be present due to inflow and infiltration or damage from physical obstructions such as offset joints or protruding pipes. Once the liner is in place, packers and roller guides are inserted and the liner is inflated with a blower unit to expand the liner inside the host pipe. Curing takes place through the exposure of the liner to UV light provided by a proprietary light train that is inserted into the line and guided through on a carefully controlled basis utilizing the award-winning quality tracker system. Prior to curing, the installer performs a pre-curing inspection with the utilization of the light train's onboard camera. This allows the curing technician as well as the municipal owner and inspection team to view and evaluate the liner before the curing process has been initiated. Once quality assurance has been determined by the pre-cure inspection, the BlueTek curing process can begin. The entire curing process is recorded digitally through infrared sensors, and a detailed record is created along with a complete CCTV documentation of the installation. A liner sample is also obtained to perform a complete testing analysis. Once the liner curing process is complete, the light train, the inner film, and any associated equipment is removed from the line. A lateral or service reinstatement cutter is then deployed to make precision cuts in the liner to allow the return of service to the property serviced by the renewed line. When lateral reinstatement is complete, all remaining equipment and bypassing pumping measures are removed, and the rehabilitated line is returned to full operation. The new relined pipe will now provide up to 80 more years of service life.
Everything took 2 days to do. 1 day to clean and inspect and prepare, and the next day it was done.
I think the BlueTek technology is actually somewhat easier compared to some of the other processes we had done. It's more worker friendly. You can get it done and get it done quick and know you have a good product.
The BlueTek system to us at Able Recon has become a very simple, high-quality product that we would recommend to contractors and municipalities to use and also to install.
We are very pleased with the Reline America technology. We feel the product is top-notch, the installation is top-notch, and we would definitely recommend using the Reline America technology.
We are really impressed with the product and the service that we get out of Reline America.
Because you want to protect your community, improve your vital underground assets, and save precious budget dollars, before you dig and replace your next old or problematic line, find out if rehabilitation with BlueTek is the solution for you. For more information, please call us toll-free at 866-998-0808 or visit our website at www.relineamerica.com.